Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see about 10 easy tips to get 600 plus in NEET exam. There are 10 important tips which helps us to achieve our goal. Let's go ahead with the tips. Know the exam pattern and the marks distribution according to the subjects. Know the complete syllabus. Create an effective study plan. Refer to NCERT books. Revise important topics. Practice regularly. Stop your time and time management. Dedication. Stay motivated. Last but not least, eat a well balanced diet and a maximum 8 hours of sleep, which improves memory power. Exam pattern. NEET is an offline mode exam, pen and paper mode. Duration for the exam is 3 hours, 2 pm to 5 pm. Date 13/9/2020. Languages: English, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Oriya, Urdu, Marathi, Tamil and Telugu. Subjects in the NEET: Physics, Chemistry, Botany and Zoology. Type of questions: MCQ, multiple choice questions. Marking scheme: +4 for right answer and -1 for a wrong answer. Number of questions: 180. This is the NEET marks distribution table. According to this only they allocate the marks for the candidates. Physics, number of questions 45 and the marks is 180. Chemistry, number of questions 45, the marks is 180. Biology, botany 45, zoology 45. Totally 90 questions. The total marks is 360. The grand total questions is 180 and the marks is 720. Now let's go ahead with the syllabus. The NTA has put together a vast syllabus for the medical entrance examination. To get more marks, follow these books: CBSE books for references, COBSE books for references, NCERT books, TN class 12th board syllabus for further notes and informations. The third tip is study plan. Study plan should resonate around 3 aspects: learn, revise, practice. Difficult topics must be studied thoroughly and wisely. Break lengthy chapters into topics and subtopics. Make a timetable, organize your study habits accordingly. Practice never fails. Practice puts brains in your muscles. Refer to NCERT books. Book published by the National Council of Education Research and Training (NCERT) for classes 11th and 12th are considered as the best and most appropriate references. Most of the questions is from that NCERT books only. Candidates, those who wants more mark, kindly refer this book. Solve previous year question papers. By solving the previous year question paper, it will helps you to get an idea of what might come in the NEET 2020, and also it will helps to managing skills. By practicing this question paper, you can easily score 600 plus in NEET 2020 exam. Candidates, those who want previous year question paper, kindly visit this website. The link has been uploaded in the description box. Revise important topics. First one is physics, optics, thermodynamics, electrostatics, current, electricity, and electronic devices, rotational motion. These are the important topics in the physics. Second one is chemistry, chemical bonding and molecular structure, thermodynamics, solutions, equilibrium, coordination compounds, S block elements and P block elements, GOC, alcohol, phenols and ethers. These are the important topics covered in chemistry. Third subject is biology. It consists of two divisions, botany and zoology. Botany contains biological classification, principles of inheritance and variation, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, morphology of flowering plants, diversity of living organisms, molecular basis of inheritance, human physiology. Zoology contains human health and disease, animal kingdom, digestion and absorption, body fluids and circulation, reproductive and health. Time management. Time management plays major role in all exams. The NEET exam consists of 180 MCQs. The candidate have to solve in 180 minutes. Work with the options. Use the tick circle cross method. Be systematic. Keep calm. Dedication. Dreams and dedication are a powerful combinations. Stay motivated. Build interest in subjects. Remember your goals. Picture yourself as a doctor. Eat a well-balanced diet. Fruits, which consist of rich antioxidant, and nuts, dark chocolate, whole grains, carrots.
For further clarifications, kindly post your comments in the comment box. Thank you.